Hello! No. I always sound like Mrs. Doubtfire. Anywho, hello. Welcome to a new video. I'm not wearing black for the first time in like 100 years, black or gray, and I feel very vibrant. My mom got me this shirt, and it's super cute. I'm just saying. So, you already know from the title above, I'm for real getting ready for my day. My grandmother's back in the hospital, and I'm gonna go see her, wash her hair, check her out. So I figured I would chit chat with you guys while I get ready, because very seldom occasion I am home alone, which is why I've not been doing my shit like I normally do, because I'm never home alone. And I mean, between my air conditioner and my clicking ceiling fan, it's already outrageous in the background, so I couldn't imagine trying to watch a video with my 2-year-old screaming in the background. So also, we are severely sunburnt right now. My face actually looks a lot better, but like the rest of me is looking a little rough. It's okay, we're working through it. And I was wearing sunscreen and reapplied it. Not 100% sure what happened, but it was fine. We had a good time. Went swimming. So, what's been going on with you guys? Oh, I forgot the rest of my little... If you like the video while you're watching, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. We're doing a giveaway at 600 subscribers. Love it if you join the fam bam here. So anywho, you're just gonna have to ignore my bra strap. This has been like my go-to situation when I'm not going to work, obviously. We barely wear makeup to work. Actually here lately I've not been wearing anything but brow gel to cover my blonde eyebrows. So, what you been doing? You guys been doing good? How you handling life? I primed with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and now I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. Anywho, my face I think is starting to peel, which is gonna be annoying, but it's all good. We're gonna work through it. I'm trying really hard not to put my headband on, but I got a thing with my hair being down while I'm doing my makeup. Anywho, how you guys been doing? You having fun? Has it been a great summer? Summer's almost over, which is, I'm so excited. I mark the end of summer like a school child does. Like the end of summer, like the last of summer is in July. And then August, you go back to school. Summer's done. It's officially fall. I'm so excited. This summer has been positively hellish where I live. We've been in heat advisories a lot, and it's just been like humid and hot and sunny, and well, I don't like that. I'm more of a fall winter kind of gal myself. I got way too much foundation. It's okay, we'll work through it. I don't really have anything else to report on. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I'm not going to be going back to school in August as of right now. I'm out of prereq classes to take to do the nursing program, and I got waitlisted when I reapplied. So unless a miracle occurs and I get put back in the program before, well, the last day you're eligible to get pulled off the waiting list and back into the program is the first day of school in August. So if I don't get put back in by the first day of school, I'm just not gonna take classes this fall. I'm just gonna take a minute off and refocus myself and reapply again for January, and eventually I will get put back in. I'm sure of it. So it's okay. I've already had my little piece with it. We've already had our mental breakdowns. We've already had our crisis and all of that. It's good. I cope with my struggles with humor. So yeah, you know, my mom's getting rather upset with me because I keep making jokes about it, and she is not a happy camper, but it's all good. It's all good. Oh. You know when you're sunburnt and it just like hurts to move your shoulders? That's It's where I'm sitting right now. It's great. The good news is I won't have to buy any new foundations because after all of this peels and heals, I'm gonna be liquid paper white again. And yeah, I don't know why my sunburn is like splotchy. We'll never know. I won't know at least, so it's whatever. I haven't done one of these in like 100 years and I feel very awkward. Oh, I'm so sorry. Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite, and now I'm gonna go in my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. We love her, we've used her for years. Probably will always use her because I go through powder really fast. You know. Been in such a weird spot here lately. When I get done at the hospital with my grandmother, I'm gonna be picking up my baby. She's at my mom's house right now. And when we get home, well, honey, we're gonna be cleaning like crazy because two of my really, really good friends, like my mom friends, are coming over tomorrow. They want to come over, so like any true Southern woman, I have to clean my house until it looks like no one lives here. So you know. I'm gonna let this bake momentarily. All right, I think she's done. I think she's cooked. I think she's ready. Oh, but speaking of cleaning my house, I haven't really been filming a lot other than like vlogging because I've just been busy living my life, you know, LIVIN. So I don't know, and I've just not had an opportunity to film. I don't like filming when like my whole crew is home because it is so loud. This is Maybelline City Bronzer, but I know what my favorite videos are to watch, and that's what I mostly try to film and upload for you guys. I love watching cleaning videos and empty videos and vlogs and stuff like that, but I also do watch a lot of makeup videos, and I honestly just genuinely like makeup. That's why it's like the basis of my channel here. But what do you guys like to watch is what I'm curious to know. My sunburn is in fact starting to feel, we're looking a little crusty under there, and it's okay. I'm not gonna put blush on because I'm already rather sun-kissed here. I'm gonna highlight though. You always have to highlight. This is Becca's Pearl. So like, ooh, right over that peeling skin. We're gonna do great. We're doing great things here today. What do you guys like to watch? Do you like cleaning videos? Cause like I'm about to like go ham on my house later today when I get home. Would you guys be interested in watching cleaning videos? My cleaning videos normally do the best out of everything. It's like cleaning videos, vlogs, hauls, and my makeup videos are like at the very, very bottom. Nobody really likes watching my makeup videos, which is fine. I need to know what you guys like to watch. And if everything turns out like it's looking and I don't go to school in August, that will also enable me to have more time to film for you guys. Don't get me wrong, I love getting to like vlog and do like day in the lives and cleaning videos and stuff like that, but like my favorite thing in the world to do that doesn't involve another person, that sounded dirty, I meant like hanging out with my kid, that doesn't involve another person, is my makeup. It's like my chill me time in the morning, afternoon, evening, whenever I'm getting ready. It's like my time to have alone. And it's also like my favorite time to film because I can, you know, hang out, live my life. So, I don't know. I'll probably always do makeup videos, but you know, I'm basically asking you to leave down in the comments whatever you're wanting me to do. What do you want to watch? Oh, the sunburn is outrageous. By the way, are we proud of me for having 2 whole entire complete eyebrows all on my own? I'm not really going to talk to you about my eyebrows while I'm doing them because, I mean, they're already almost done and no one cares about eyebrows, but you know. Okay, my eyebrows are done, and I honestly cannot be the only one where one eyebrow comes out exactly how I'm wanting it, and it's just like a straight A student. It's doing its job, it's being great, and the other one comes out kind of dumb. I can't be the only one. I know they're not supposed to be twins. I know they're supposed to just be like sisters, but damn. I feel like they're not even on the same side of the fucking family tree. Anywho, so I thought I would show you guys my favorite makeup situation, because I mean, like, this is pretty basic. This is what I do all the time. Eyebrows on my face, but my eyes change a lot, and this has been like my go-to stitch, where, you know, like, it looks like I put a little bit more effort in than like bare minimum. So this is the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Quad in Truffles, and I'm gonna go in with this dark chocolatey brown on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm literally going to smudge that on my entire eye. Very simple look. 2 eyeshadows. You can dress her up, you can dress her down. I mean, I think that's what everyone wants. And this is super fast, and if you notice, my eyeshadow has like some situations happening in it. That's because this is so lightning fast that my 2-year-old only has the opportunity to get in the eyeshadow like once. And let me tell you, Ellie Belly, she's become quite the makeup artist. I'll insert a picture of some of her work here. She does great things. She's getting a lot better at blending. If you watch my vlogs, you've been noticing her playing with my makeup a lot more. And I think I want to do a video, not so much for like you guys, but so I have it to come back to and Ellie can watch it when she's older. I kind of want to do a video of her doing my makeup. Like, what do we think of that? Would that be kind of cool, just watching like a toddler try to figure out how to do, I mean, she knows where most stuff goes, but she's also my child, so she's very drawn to black eyeshadow. God love her. And like, she constantly smears her whole body with black eyeshadow and all of her baby dolls. She's going for some grunge, and we appreciate it. Okay, now that that's done, we're already halfway through. I'm gonna take a smudgy brush and that same eyeshadow and just hit, I don't know what side I just put that eyeshadow on. I think it's that one. We're just gonna hit my lower lash line a little bit with it, focusing on that outer edge, and then just kind of feathering it. It's beautiful. But Ellie's been getting very into my makeup, and I'm okay with it. It really doesn't bother me that she plays with my makeup, because I know some people, some moms, get relatively irate, and I get it. Like, that's your thing, you spent money on it. Is that a goddamn spider? That's a spider. It was a spider. Anywho, I know some people tend to get like really upset about it, but I mean, she's having fun. It can be replaced. It's not that serious. So I'm gonna take a regular eyeshadow brush in this glittery shade back here, and we're just gonna pack that on pretty much like the whole inner corner of my eye. Oh my god, the spider didn't die. It just fell. It's crawling on my ring light. It's like one of those little yellow, I've always called them summer spiders. I have no idea what they actually are. I'm just gonna pack that on, and then when I'm content with the amount of glitter, I'm just gonna go back with that crease brush and whatever product's left on it and just kind of blend her all in and tone down that glitter a little bit. Yeah, that's it. That's how I've been rolling. That's how I've been doing my makeup here lately. I mean, my eyeshadow. Now if you're, fuck, man, that spider is running. Oh, anywho. Now, if you're wanting to know how you can dress this up, you can take some eyeliner and you can like smudge out your lash lines, top and bottom, and just make it a little smokier. You can do a winged eyeliner. You can skip eyeliner completely. You can do anything you want. You can throw some lashes on, but what I've been doing here lately is just piling mascara on because eyeliner's just been too much work here lately. Like, you can ask anybody that knows me in real life if you ever like run into them. I hardly ever go to work or like to the store without makeup on. I don't mean like a full-on glammed out face, but I always have my eyebrows on and my foundation done and like mascara. And here lately I've not even been wanting to put makeup on to go into work, and terrible time for that to happen because we're starting to open back up and have visitors again and like family members coming in and out, and I just can't be bothered. I mean, so it's a whole thing, but eyeliner's just been a little too much for me to handle lately, so I've just been doing mascara. I've been doubling up on my favorites, which is the Essence Lash Princess Waterproof and the Maybelline Lash Sensational. So I'm gonna hop off the screen, coat top and bottom lashes with like 8 pounds of mascara, and then we'll be back to finish our little chat, do our lips, and then I'm gonna go see my grandmother. Okay, eyelashes are done. So, going on with the, you can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can leave it alone. So sometimes when I'm feeling like a little like extra, my hair's doing some weird shit. Whew, anywho, if you're wanting to do like extra and like be fancy and have like a little juicy gloss, I really like pairing this with the NYX Filler Instinct lipstick in Sugar Pie. It's just like this really pretty brownie nude shade. It's glossy and it gives you like it's a lip plumping one, or you can go with the nude. My favorite nude of all time is Jeffree Star's Mannequin. When I run out of it, which we're getting kind of close there, but when I run out of it, I will not be repurchasing it. I have a couple dupes that I've been like running back and forth with, but I mean, you can do your own thing. I'm gonna go in with the Lip Filler Instinct. Get that going. And I kind of take my finger and rub it in like a little gloss. And there you go. You can even put a red lip with this look, and it'd look really pretty. You can, you can do a lot with this look. I mean, it's just a basic smoky eye. It's not overly dark. Yeah. I kind of stopped chit-chatting. Oh my God. I kind of stopped chit-chatting about my life a little bit because I just kind of got down in the dumps, but it's okay. We started to focus more on the makeup there at the end, and that's totally fine. We chatted while we did my face makeup, and then we had a little tutorial thrown there, so. Make sure, ooh, that stinks. Maybelline glass spray. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs down. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below if you did. And that's about all I got. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you comment down below on what videos you want to see in the future. And also, there's some setting here, so I gotta go through it with you. We're gonna be nailing it out here lately, and I'm excited for it. Although I did just realize these come with like the little adhesive tabs, which is terrifying, but it's fine. So I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.